Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime. So how this works is I just tell you guys like the right measurements if you use the same activator as me and just the simple easy steps on how to do it. So before we start, I'm Brianna, and if you are new to me and Corinne's channel or haven't already, please subscribe to become a member of our Beach family. So let's get started. So there are only 6 steps, and the first step is you would obviously need some glue. You'll need a bowl, a spoon, a container, and if you're using the borax method, that's what I use, you'll need some hot water and some borax. So I already made my borax solution in this cup, so now it's time to pour in the glue. Now I'm going to pour in the glue. That's a lot. So now after you have the glue, I'm just making a regular slime again. So now I have my solution that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to add in some at a time. Sorry if I keep looking back. My dog is behind me and she's playing with her ball. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, whatever. So now it's time to mix. And I can already see it forming. You'll know when it starts forming when it all comes together. So I added in some more solution. I'm just gonna keep on mixing. So I'll see you when it's done. So I have finished this white slime. It is super stretchy. It can crunch. And so yeah, so this is such a great slime. It can poke really well too, and it's just a really great stretchy slime. And again, that is my dog. It is a great slime. So guys, that was it for the video. So if you liked it, please give a big thumbs up and comment down below how many slimes you have. And definitely, please do not forget to subscribe to become a member of our Beach family. I love you guys so much. Bye!